Unlock the secret to a perfectly navigable website and empower your visitors to effortlessly explore your content. First, log into your Squarespace account and locate the Pages panel on the left-hand side of your dashboard. To add a new link, simply click the plus icon next to Main Navigation. You'll be presented with several options: page for internal site pages, folder to create a drop-down menu, or external link for outside websites. Let's select Page for now. Now give your new page a clear and descriptive title. Once you've titled it, your new link will automatically appear in your navigation bar. Rearranging links is a breeze. Simply click and drag any link within the main navigation section to your desired position. To delete a link, hover over it and click the trash can icon that appears. Confirm your decision, and it's gone. Remember to always click Save in the top left corner of your screen to ensure all your changes are applied. By mastering these simple steps, you've gained complete control over your Squarespace navigation, leading to a more intuitive and user-friendly experience for every visitor. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Squarespace tips.